Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you another function type of resource. But as I said in the last video, I'm going to be creating a video about what to do in the brackets of the function. So this video is about the parameters and arguments and how they affect what you're creating inside that function. So if I wanted to create different parts, right? And if I run the script, they would all be the same, right? But what if I want them to have different properties and or like different references, something like that? This is where parameters and arguments come in. So we're gonna be learning about parameters and arguments in this video, and it's quite simple actually. More simpler probably than the instances, because the instances requires a lot of scripted code, including parents and all that. So, yes, I'll do it. So, as I told you, as usual, you want to write function, and then you want to put enter, and behind the brackets you can. So we're gonna do new parts. New parts. So now I'm gonna be teaching you later, but I'm just gonna put an instance in this. Then start part equals new port. Port. Then bam. And then actually art. I don't know why I did art, but okay. So and now I'm just gonna put that's actually pretty it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a lot of properties. So art dot material equals art dot brick color equals, and then art dot anchored equals, and that's it for right now. And final one, art dot parent equal game. So as you see, I actually didn't make anything after the equals, except for the parent. Just don't count the parent because can't do anything with the brackets. So now we're gonna add something inside the brackets. So what you want to do is not go in here and then start typing or something, whatever. You want to go in here, and then now what you want to do is you want to do whatever name you want to reference the material brick color anchor repair. So but it has to be in order from 1 to 4, well 1 to 3 in this case, because we already referenced that. I don't know why that's not mine, but okay. So for example, if I wanted the material, then I would write material. No, you can write whatever you want, but it has to be in order from 1 to 3. Well, in my case, 1 to 3. Then you want to do comma, and then you want to do space, and then you want to do for brick color. So I'm just gonna do brick, and then comma space, and now anchory. So for anchored, I did anchory. Okay, so now we've done this. in anything in here is not gonna be redlined because it is your choice to name anything. So now, as I said, one to three. So the first part is material. So then I write material, bam, just like that, because this is a parameter right now. So basically, someone's talking to them. So what's the material of this brick? And then they wait, and then over here somewhere they say that it's something or something. And so for brick color, you want to write whatever's 2. And then for anchored, I'm just gonna do anchory, bam. So now we've done in order material brick anchory, and we've also defined them in the brackets of the function, and we also learned that in the function brackets nothing can be wrong. So now uh what I want now what you should do is let's say new parts. So new parts, bam, but then new parts, bam, new parts. So I'm just doing 3 new parts. So right now, if I run the game, right now if I run the game, okay, so I run the game. Oh my god, my mic, pretty dirty. Okay, I think you can hear me clearly now, guys. Okay, so now as you see, there is no part in the game because we haven't see there's so in our script we haven't defined what's in these brackets yet, because if we write something in the function brackets, then we have to write something in the run brackets. So what I'm gonna do now is, so material, brick, and anchory. So art.material equals material, art.brick color equals brick, art.anchored equals anchory. So now what I want to do, first I want to define the material of this first part. So I can do like maybe, so I'm gonna write enum.material dot maybe wood planks, yeah, maybe wood planks. And then what I want to do is comma. So basically I define the first material on this one. So enum.material.wood planks. So material is defined. So let me just note that for you guys. Material is defined. So now what I want to do is brick. So brick, I put in brick color. So now I want to put the brick color on this part. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll touch you guys brick color dot new, and then bam bam bam. So now we're just gonna do maybe let's just do lime green. Okay, so we've done that, and now we've defined the first part only. So the function is saying, okay, so we've only argued with the first part. So the function is, imagine the function and then this new part can talk. The function will be saying, okay, so what's going to be your material, your brick, and your anchory? And then this replies, okay, so my material is going to be wood planks. My brick color is going to be lime green. So that's what it is. And now we also have anchory. So now we put a boolean value, true or false. This is what I taught you I think in the full properties video. So let me just write it here. Write it here. True or false boolean. val. So true or false is the Boolean val. Now I'll be including this sentence in every single video because you guys really have to know Boolean vowels because they're actually very strong inside. So now we do true or false. So or, I know or is like a scripting thing, but no, you're not learning that. So true or false. So let's just say the anchor is gonna be false on this one. False. And so now what we have to do, since we defined the first one, then the function is gonna say to the new parts, okay, what's your material, brick and anchor? So and then the new part is gonna say my material is wood planks, lime green, and my anchor is false. But well, it won't actually say that, but like in imagination, if you have an imagination, maybe you guys don't. Okay, never mind. Also, you want to do that? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. So this has the same. This is the same thing that's said on the first one. So wait, what? And this is supposed to be here. Okay. So what you want to say now is you want to say now is okay. So I defined the wood planks, lime green, and false. So now this one, I'm gonna maybe do. Maybe I'm gonna do the different way. Maybe I'm gonna do. I don't really have to do enum always. Don't have to do enum dot material. I can just do maybe grass. But like that's not really an efficient way. So yes, we're still gonna do enum dot material. So enum dot material, and then we do dot. Wait, what? Dot material dot, and all these other ones. This one listed neon, and so this one brick color is gonna be maybe really red this time, and then the other thing is gonna be false. So as you see, I mean true. This is gonna be true. So as you see here, I've actually defined each part differently on this because we can if we add something in the brackets. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Functions are very, very, very unique inside the script. And wait, I forgot parts. It's very unique inside the script actually. So now we can do whatever we want in this one. Let's just do. I hate writing this. Let's do a different one. Like, bruh, wait, what? Didn't I scroll down? Okay, I want to see all of them. So rock, okay, rock, and then maybe we want to do brick color dot new, brick color dot new. Maybe you want to do fog, and then the boolean is gonna be maybe true again. Actually maybe false. So as you see here, I've actually ordered them all for different properties. So now when I go here and I run the script, they're gonna spawn 3 parts. See, 1, 2, and then 3. I don't know why this part is just like that. I think oh, it's rock. Oh, fog. Okay, I think I get it now. I think it's just gonna be part then. Okay, so as you see, these three different parts, they're labeled differently, and there's no error. Well, don't mind this because this is just the first error, but just don't mind that. Actually, you know what? I wanna. So, you see, there's no error, and there's no error in the script as well. No red lines somewhere or anywhere. So yeah, guys, that's what parameters and arguments are. Then those are what you do on like the brackets you have. So as you see, functions are very powerful. But guys, please do not leave my series just because you learned a function. You also have to need to learn like in a you also like have to need to learn like if statements and functions. Like, do you know how you know how you like touch a part or something? You know how you touch a part like something? You have to get if statements. Like if you're in a simulator and the thing orders you to go to like the store, then when you go to the store circle, it orders on the if statement if you got there and then you open the shop. So yeah. For example, but just don't use this yet. So I'm just gonna create a random part, and just don't mind this yet. Leave the video if you want to, but I'm just giving you a head start type statement. So yeah, game workspace part touched. So touched is an event. See, a lightning bolt is an event, but like don't. So then colon connect function. Now end. So now, but you don't have to name the function. So, but I won't tell you this because like yeah, you don't know. So if game workspace part touched touched then print. So I just put an if statement here of if you touch the part. So I'll just play here because in run you can't run it because like you have to touch the thing. So for some reason it's right now let me touched it, but yeah, see, it gets more. It's more every time if I touch the part, something like that. So that's why if statements are very important too. So yeah, but don't like just go on ahead and do if statements for no reason because you don't even know what they are. Yeah, I just told an introduction to you. So yeah, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Next video is gonna be about think built-in functions. I don't know, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next.